Hello everybody, welcome back to Bazzar Repairs and Reviews. On today's video we have the CordlessGlow rechargeable light bulbs with remote. These light bulbs have a timer function, 1200 milliamp battery, and come with a hook. You also get remote controls, USB-C charging, adjustable color and brightness, and many more. So let's get this thing unboxed and let's see what it has to offer. Alright, let's get these light bulbs unpacked and see what they do. So this really cool product actually, it's so say you have a power outage and you want to still use your light bulbs. These come with batteries already pre-installed with them. All you need to do is charge them. They last for 5 or 6 hours, and then you can put them in place if you have a power outage, or if you're out camping and you just like a light inside of your car. They come with these awesome little hooks as well. You got 2 remote controls, and this package comes with 4 independent light bulbs. Very cool. As you can see, USB-C charging right up front, power switch, nice design, and they can screw into any light bulb. And they feel like one as well. These are LED bulbs, so they'll last a long time. Okay, to charge them, you'll just take any USB-C charger and plug them right in. You'll see the light on the inside turn red. After charging, between 3 and 4 hours, it will actually turn green. Then you'll know it's ready to turn on. And to turn on, you just long press the power button for 3 seconds, and then tap to change colors, and then finally to power off. To plug in, you just plug in like any other lamp, just screw it right in, and either turn on with your hand or with the included remote like I'm doing here. This remote allows you to dim as well, and set a timer from 15 minutes to 60 minutes. Really cool. And here's the hook that you can use when you're out camping, indoor or outdoor. You can place these anywhere you would like. And once again, everybody, that was the CordlessGlow rechargeable light bulbs with remotes. This product is really, really cool. I can see myself using these in a power outage, camping, indoor activities. Very, very great. Thank you for watching.